Tammy and I were headed to the store today, and I thought I'd come down here where I filmed that moving water yesterday, or the day before. And there's Tammy. And we're in the same exact spot. This is Little Sandham and Go Wash. And there's Bruno. Bruno, come. Come on, boy. Come on. Get in the truck with Mama. Come on. I don't want to have to watch you. Jump up. Good boy. All right, here's the wash. And it's essentially dry now, and the ground's pretty solid, but I don't know if you look right here, it's pretty muddy. I wouldn't want to drive a truck in it, but look at this. Look at all the black sand. Isn't that something? And I'm sure there's some fine gold mixed in with that. Excuse me. Look at that. Yeah, this is the very end of Little San Domingo. And there's gold here, absolutely. You can dig anywhere and get a few flakes in a pan here. But look at the difference over here. All right, we walked over here yesterday and I showed you the river flowing. Look at this. I guess that was yesterday. So look at this. A couple of people have gotten down here with quads and thought about going across, but they wisely did not. All right, we were standing right out there about where that water's flowing yesterday and watching it eat the bank away here. And there's the old opal mine across the way. And look at this. Look how it undercut the road here. And I predicted it'd be up at the road, and it sure was. It's actually damaged some of the concrete they put in. And this is how deep that water was we were looking at rolling down here. Okay, like I said, it was a good 3 or 4 feet deep. And there were boulders that were big enough to show over the top of that water going down along here. And this is still a big no-no trying to cross this. I mean, you could probably go over here. You see where somebody buzzed across over here and went across. And it's solid enough now to drive in for small distances, but the road over there, there's a big bank now, and we're gonna have to figure out a way to get the road put in over there for anybody that wants to go over there. This is a pretty popular site for people that ride quads and buggies and whatnot. But this is the dramatic difference. And if somebody would have tried to drive in here yesterday, ooh-wee, I'd hate to have been the one. Like I said, this is still falling. If I walk a little closer, it'll probably cave in on me. Isn't that something? I just thought I'd shoot this little quick video to show you the aftermath of all that rain and flooding. It sure looks different now, doesn't it? Yes, sir. It's left big branches, pieces of trees out there. You name it. Now it's just a calm little flow. So I'm guessing it's still pretty muddy up across the highway the other way where we want to go. So I'm not sure what we'll do tomorrow. I don't really feel like trying to cross this. I mean, some people have already done it, and I might tomorrow, and maybe we'll do a mine tour or something. I'm not sure what we'll do. Maybe we'll be able to get up to our other spot too. I don't know. I don't know. We've seen a lot of rain this year. But anyway, the mighty Hassayampa River after the flood. I hope you enjoyed that little look at why you don't go into a wash when it rains really hard. And it's just not smart. You can end up losing a lot more than just your truck. It could be a lot worse than that. So anyway, if you like these videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment, ring the bell. For now, Nugget Shooter out.